Let's take a deep, slow breath together. Inhale gently, and as you exhale, release all the tension from your day. Let it all go. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow your body to relax completely. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Now, bring your awareness to this present moment. Feel the support beneath you, holding you securely. Hear the sounds around you and simply let them be, without judgment. This is a sacred time, just for you and God. A time to connect, to be still, and to be grateful. Let's begin by acknowledging the gift of life itself. Thank you, God, for this breath I am taking, for the miracle of my lungs filling with air, and for the rhythm of my heart beating steadily within my chest. Each beat is a whisper of your love, a testament to the life you have so graciously given me. Thank you for the simple, profound gift of being alive right now in this very moment. Let's expand this gratitude to our physical bodies. Thank you, God, for this body that carries me through the world. Thank you for my eyes that see the beauty of a sunrise and the smile on a loved one's face. Thank you for my ears that hear laughter, music, and the gentle sound of rain. Thank you for my hands that can create comfort and connect, for my feet that have walked countless paths and carry me on my journey, for every cell, every nerve, every part of me working in perfect harmony. I am deeply and humbly grateful. Now, let's turn our hearts toward the abundance that surrounds us. It's so easy to focus on what we lack, but for a moment, let's see what we have. Thank you, God, for the roof over my head, providing shelter and safety. Thank you for the food that nourishes my body, giving me strength and energy. Thank you for the clean water I can drink. These are profound blessings, gifts that sustain my life every single day. Help me to never take them for granted. To see your provision in every meal, in every warm bed, in every simple comfort. Let's fill our hearts with gratitude for the people you have placed in our lives. Thank you, God, for my family, for the bonds of love and history that tie us together. Thank you for my friends, the souls who understand me, who laugh with me and support me. Thank you for teachers, mentors, and even strangers who have shown me kindness along the way. Each person has been a mirror, a teacher, a gift. For the love I have given and the love I have received, I am eternally thankful. Help me to be a source of love and light for them in return. Now, let's appreciate the incredible world you have created for us. Thank you, God, for the majesty of nature, for the vast, endless sky painted with hues of blue and gold. Thank you for the sun that warms my skin, for the moon and stars that light up the night. Thank you for the mighty oceans and the gentle streams, for the towering mountains and the quiet forests. Thank you for the vibrant colors of the flowers and the sweet songs of the birds. In every leaf, in every drop of rain, I see your artistry, your genius, your love. I am so grateful to be a part of this magnificent creation. Let's bring our attention to the gifts we cannot see but can feel so deeply. Thank you, God, for the gift of peace, for moments of stillness when my mind is quiet and my heart is calm. Thank you for guiding me to this peace, for being my refuge in times of storm. Thank you for the gift of love, a force that connects us all, that heals all wounds. Help me to open my heart wider to receive and give this love freely. Thank you for the gift of joy, for the laughter that bubbles up from my soul, for the moments of pure, unadulterated happiness. Let us also be grateful for our challenges and our struggles. This can be difficult, but it is so important. Thank you, God, for the lessons I have learned through hardship. Thank you for the strength I have discovered in moments of weakness. Thank you for the resilience you have built within me. Every obstacle has been an opportunity for growth, a chance to draw closer to you and to understand my own power. For the wisdom gained through tears and the compassion born from pain, I am grateful. You have never left my side, and for your constant presence, I am so thankful. Now, let's focus on the gift of self-awareness and personal growth. Thank you, God, for the unique soul that you created me to be. Thank you for my talents, my passions, and my dreams. Thank you for the journey of discovering who I am. Thank you for the gift of consciousness, the ability to think, to feel, to choose. Help me to use this gift wisely, to align my will with yours, and to become the best version of myself. Thank you for your grace, which covers my imperfections and allows me to begin anew each day. As we continue to breathe in this state of peace, let this feeling of gratitude fill every part of your being. Imagine a warm, golden light of gratitude starting in your heart and spreading outwards. It fills your chest, flows down your arms to your fingertips, and moves down your legs to the soles of your feet. It flows up into your head, calming your thoughts. You are now glowing with gratitude, a beacon of thankfulness. Feel the deep sense of abundance, of being completely provided for. Feel the profound peace that comes from knowing you are held in God's loving hands. In this moment, there is nothing to do, nothing to solve, nothing to strive for. There is only being. Being present, being grateful, being loved. Rest in this feeling. Let it soak into your soul. This is your truth. You are a beloved child of God, and your life is a precious gift. Thank you, God, for everything, for the seen and the unseen, for the known and the unknown, for the blessings of today and the hope of tomorrow. My heart is full. My spirit is at peace. My soul is overflowing with gratitude. For your endless love, your infinite wisdom, and your boundless grace, I give you all my thanks. As we prepare to bring this time of reflection to a close, carry this feeling of gratitude with you. Let it be the lens through which you see the world. Let it be the foundation upon which you build your day. When you are ready, you can slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently move your head from side to side. And when you feel ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this time of gratitude with me. May your day be filled with peace, love, and countless blessings. Follow for more moments of calm and connection.